If you love using your KitchenAid stand mixer to make bread dough, then there's an add-on you need to know about. The KitchenAid Bread Bowl with baking lid is made for bakers since it's both an extra mixing bowl made of high-quality ceramic and it lets you proof and bake your bread in a way that gives it a nice crispy crust. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and this bowl and lid combo is designed to let you bake craft quality bread at home, from basic white breads to crusty breads and even brioche. In this review, I'll test it out by baking some bread and let you know what the key features are, and then I'll wrap things up by telling you if I think I can recommend it for you. And really heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber, since both those things help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Here's how it works. The bread bowl fits all KitchenAid 4.5 and 5 quart tilt head stand mixers. Just twist and lock it into place like you would with a metal bowl. The bowl feels heavy and substantial, and KitchenAid calls this durable ceramic and says it resists chipping, cracking, and crazing, and there's actually a 5-year no-chip warranty on it. The bowl and lid are freezer, microwave, dishwasher, and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The 5-quart capacity allows you to bake bread dough recipes with up to about 3.5 cups of flour, which makes about a 1 to 1.5 pound loaf of bread. Let me show you how I used it. I tried a loaf of what's called no knead bread, which is ideal for this set. Just install the dough hook and add your ingredients to the bowl and then mix to knead your dough. When it's been mixed thoroughly, you can let the dough rise right in the bowl. When it's time to punch the dough down and shape it, you can wash the bowl and then pop both the lid and the bowl into the oven to heat up. When they're as hot as the oven, slide the dough onto the baking plate. I opted to use some parchment just to keep cleanup simple and prevent sticking. Then you'll cover the ball of dough and the plate with the bowl. You're essentially creating a hot oven within an oven that allows steam to be retained, helping to create a moist loaf that also gets a nice crispy crust. When my loaf was baked, it was beautifully done. In short, this add-on for a KitchenAid tilt head mixer is great because not only do you get an ideal method for baking fresh bread, but it also gives you an extra bowl, which is extremely handy for folks who really like to bake. The baking plate would also work well as a small baking dish for doing other things like heating up and presenting things like baked brie. I can definitely recommend the KitchenAid Bread Bowl with baking lid for you. It costs about $129 US. While you're here, check out my review of the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer, or see if a $99 stand mixer from a lesser known brand can be a good alternative right now.